Hi everybody, it's Bishop Bryson. Friday, January the 17th, 2020. What a great week it's been, but womp, 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 womp. I'm red today. And let me just say this. If you meet a trader and they're never red, run from them because every trader has a red day. I want to teach you what to do when you have a red day because just because you have a red day doesn't mean that you're a red trader. There's a difference. So grab some water, grab some tea, tell two friends, hit subscribe, and come back and I'll share with you how we've taken down the week and look forward to next week. Hi everybody, it's Bishop Rice. I'm in the Simple Trader Pro team. What a great day it's been. What a great week it's been. Now, womp, womp, womp. I was red today, but it happens to everybody. So if you ever meet a trader who you consider a great trader or who is a mentor of yours in trading, like I have a lot of people that I sort of mentor, thousands, then one of the things that happens is if you meet someone and they're never red, leave them alone. They should be able to tell you not only their successes, but sometimes if they have a red day. And a red day does not make you a failure. A red day doesn't make you a red trader. It makes you human and it makes you better because you know what to do next time. Well, let's talk about my trade for the day. My hot stock of the day has to be IMBI. Pre-market, IMBI had jumped up all the way to 566 and then it began to slowly go down. For those of you who know my rules of trading, I love when a stock pops up pre-market, but I love when it retraces and comes down. The reason is we need some room to move. And so at open, people take their money. It popped down a little bit, but it started at around like 496, 505. I think I jumped in like at 510. Popped all the way up to 551. I was out at like 549 or something like that. When it slows down, I'm out, made my money and was done for the day, but I got in again to go up and guess what? It fell and it's felled the rest of the day, kept going down. So I lost it, but I'm okay with it. I made 3 trades in a row, 3, 1, 2, 3, uno, dos, tres, and it wasn't working. So I quit trading. I just quit trading because there's only so much red I'm going to allow myself to be after the end of a great week. And it's been a great week. I've been Monday through Thursday, I was green. Friday, lost a little bit of money, but it's not going to break my account. And if you overtrade, you will always break your account. So let's talk about the mentality of a trader. There are traders that only believe that you should watch the technical, the fundamental. There are traders that only believe in, let's see, the 20, the 200, the 50 EMA. There's traders that only believe in the Bollinger Bands. There's all sorts of things and all sorts of ways that traders trade. There's some traders that only short. There's some traders that only go long. I'm a balanced trader, I do both. There's some traders that will tell you they only trade, small cap stocks, and some only trade, blue chips. It's your choice. There's so much to do in a market. I focus on equities, but I spend a lot of time off camera dealing with options. So it's up to you. I started trading commodities on the CME. So it all depends on where you started from. So guess what? I want to tell you all of that does matter, but what matters is between here. You have to have the mentality that even if I lose a little bit of money, it's okay. And check this out, even if you've lost a lot of money, it's still okay. You can become a great trader. And how do I know? When I first started trading, I lost money. And guess what? I figured it out how it worked. I created Simple Trader Pro. I began to tell my friends and family, they began to make money. I began to tell them and I decided to start my own company. So that's how it started. I got so good at it. I told somebody else they got so good at it, started my own company. And now we have people all over the world joining us every morning for pre-market and those who trade with us when the market opens. So saying this to you, there's still opportunity. Don't let a red day cause you to have a bad weekend because it's not worth it. Think of the good part. The good part is I've won 4 days green, 1 day red. That's a balance. And check this out. There's always another day. So half of it is the mentality. And I go to big places and teach. I go to brokers. I teach women especially. What do you do when you have a bad day or you've lost more than you wanted to lose? I teach you how as a trader, how to watch your mentality, and how to run and get back in the game. Because it's not just how you win, it's how you lose. Listen, I hope you have a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed our recaps. See you. If you're just visiting us for the first time, hit subscribe, because if you subscribe, we would love to get to know you better. And check this out. If you hit alerts, then we'll send you alerts every day. I send out alerts pre-market every day. I send out information that's going to help you become a better trader. So look forward to seeing you. Have a great weekend. See you Monday.